Hello friends, in this video I will tell you about the NCET exam. Okay, so you want to become a teacher, right? Say for example, you want to do BA B.Ed or BSc B.Ed or BCom B.Ed. You have just finished class 12th or you are in class 12th. Okay, so after you finish your class 12 and you want to become a teacher in India, you can go by these three things. Either you can do BA B.Ed, BSc B.Ed or BCom B.Ed to become a teacher. So you want to do this B.Ed from say one of the colleges near you, which is giving you this 4-year ITEP course. Okay, so this is 4-year integrated teacher education program through which you will become one of the teachers of BA B.Ed, BSc B.Ed or BCom B.Ed. Now the college wants you to give this exam. What is the exam? Exam is NCET, right? National Common Entrance Test. So you have to give that exam first. So in this video, we are going to explain a little bit more about this NCET exam. So this NCET exam is being conducted by NTA. If you are confused about what is NTA, what is NCET, what is NCTE, I have already made one video on my channel which talks about NCTE, NCET, NTA, ITEP, everything in detail. So you can go to that video, see that video so that you can understand all these terms. Let us come back to the video. So you have to give this exam NCET and we are going to give you more details about this exam now. This exam is being conducted by this NTA, National Testing Agency. So what will happen? See, around in the month of say April, okay, this NTA on its website is going to release one form. So you are going to fill that form, right? Online form. You will write your name and other details, and also you will select one exam center. Exam center is a place where you are going to go and give this exam, right? You will make a choice of a center near where you are living, near to that particular place. Now, so you have filled up the form, you will get an exam center. Say for example, this is your center, exam center. So then you go to that exam center and there you are going to give a CBT exam. What is CBT? CBT is computer based test. Okay. So the exam will not be in the form of paper and pen. In front of your, there will be a computer. Computer will show you all the questions and in that you have to mark the correct options. It will be an MCQ test, MCQ type test. 4 options, right? You have to select one option. You know about MCQ type of test, but it will be a computer based test. You will get some 1 or 2 blank papers, okay, on where you can do your rough work and all and return that paper when you come out. And computer based MCQ exam will be there. Now if you will ask me, okay, MCQ based test, what will be the time? So it is of a 3-hour duration, okay, one sitting. So you will go into that center which you have opted and you will appear for a computer based test which will be an MCQ type of test and it is for 3 hours. What will be the syllabus? Syllabus, your main syllabus is your class 12th. Now, listen carefully. When we talk about syllabus, as I already told you that this would be an MCQ based exam and it will be a CBT exam. What is CBT? Computer based test. And as I told you, the time limit for the exam is 3 hours. Okay. Now listen carefully. Each correct answer will give you 4 marks and for a wrong answer there will be -1 mark. Okay, so there is a negative marking. For each correct answer you will get 4 marks. For each wrong answer they will deduct -1. Okay, so you will ask me how many questions are there? So there are a total of 160 questions. Yes, a total of 160 questions. So 160 multiplied by 4 is 640 marks. So maximum you can score 640 marks if you get all your answers correct. Total 160 questions. Is this much clear? Okay, now let us move to the next part. Let us talk about the different sections of the syllabus. Okay, this particular exam is divided into 4 sections. First is section 1. Okay, in section 1, out of 38 languages, you have to select any 2 language. Okay, so out of 38 languages, you have to select 2 language. Say language 1, language 2. Language 1, language 2, both can be Hindi, because there are 2 Hindi papers and there are 2 English papers also. So you can take both English also, or there are other languages also, you can take those languages also. So language 1, 20 questions you have to attempt. Language 2, again 20 questions you have to attempt. So 20 into 4 is 80 marks. 20 into 4 is 80 marks. Right? Then comes section 2. Section 2, out of 26 domain subjects. Domain means main subjects, some specific subjects, like the subjects you have in your class 12th. Okay, for science, it can be physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, right? Then for art students, it could be history or something else like that. So out of 26 domain subjects, you have to select any 3 domain subject. Okay, any 3 domain subjects. So D1, let be domain 1, domain 2, domain 3. 25 questions, 25 questions, 25 questions. 25 fours are 100 marks, domain 2, 100 marks, domain 3, 100 marks. That is why these domain subjects are very, very important, because they give you a total of, say, 300 marks. Here, the total is 160 marks. Languages are equally important. Then comes section 3, which is general test. General test, there are different parts in general test. GK is there, general science is there. Then you have got quantitative, qualitative analysis, all those things are there. Some maths, basic maths, algebra, arithmetic, all that is there. That is, again, GT is having total of 25 question, 25 fours are again 100 marks. And we have got section 4, which is teaching aptitude. Okay, so TA is teaching aptitude. There are total of 20 questions, 24s are 80 marks. So if you add all of them, this adds 20, 20, 40, 50, 60, and this is 100. So total of 160 questions, as I already told you. And 300, 100, 400, 400, 500, and 640 marks total.